Hi, my name is Andre Shackleton and I am a corporate trainer by profession for both businesses and individuals. I also wear the hat of district trainer for Western India region for a multinational organization known as Business Networks International, or popularly known as BNI. I also head the region for Goa as far as administration, operations and training goes, as the area director for North Goa. I have also been part of business building activities that jumpstart or catalyze business economics in the state of Goa, and as a result we have conducted events in the past. Two of them being the Goa BizFest and Vibrant Goa. Both of these events I was part of the organization team and was in charge of setting up the IT infrastructure to facilitate networking and data management. I was happy to be introduced to Ninestack as an organization who brought to the table an international standard of understanding of what events could be like, and then proceeded to build IT technology, including the app that facilitated the different types of users at both of these events, that is Goa BizFest and Vibrant Goa. The kind of users varied from people who just walked in to be part of the, to witness the event and be part of it, to actual participants who own stalls and serious businessmen who actually wanted to network with business opportunities here in Goa. I was so impressed with the app that we found that the users of the app not only managed to capture vital networking information of individuals they had spoken to, they also had the ability to connect with each other during the event and even after the event. The statistics for Vibrant Goa is evidence to the fact that the app actually created business opportunities from international parties interested to partnering with businesses in Goa. Ninestack did a fantastic job. They helped us at these events, were complete support to anyone who was new or unfamiliar with the technology. They was problem solved in matter of seconds and minutes depending, and their support has been unblemished, unflinching. For the level of professionalism that they have brought to these events, they have been critical in platforming these events to our international audiences. And for that, I really thank Ninestack and their team for being support to not only these events, but I also wish them the success in continuing to grow support to other such events both here in Goa, India and abroad. All the best, guys. Cheers.